How to withdraw from blockchain.com. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can withdraw from blockchain.com. So in order to withdraw from blockchain.com, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first, you have to log in into your blockchain account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the three icon located in the top right hand side corner. Next page, on the other half, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu. So from there, it's going to ask you to select whether you want to buy crypto or sell crypto. Since you're withdrawing, so you have to go ahead and tap on the sell crypto. Then you'll need to select the asset that you wish to withdraw. After that, you have to enter in the information, that is the amount, exact amount. And once you're done entering the exact amount, then you have to enter in the recipient details where you actually want to withdraw that. Click on confirm located right at the bottom, and once again you have to confirm all of the information that you provided. If you're sure about it, then go ahead and tap on the withdraw button located right at the bottom, and then you'll be notified within no time that you've successfully withdrawn crypto or an asset from blockchain.com. So in this way you can withdraw. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.